Okay, we got this funny story. The person come to the clinic and she said, I got the neck pain and shoulder pain. We start asking to move around, check the availability, as nothing work. It's like nothing, is just everything is stuck. And she said, okay, I'm gonna give you that chance to improve you guys good. So we have to improve you in one session to unlock this neck, which is not working for years. I asked her, how long has it been like that? Oh, like since I'm like 30, and she's like 65 years old. So 30 years she experienced that pain, and she come to the clinic and she wants me to improve and show my master class. I mean, my master technique. I'm like, come on, people, just be on the earth. Just come down from the sky to the earth and just understand your human body need to take care of it every day. And the older we become, the more you need to pay attention. If you don't pay attention, if you don't know what's going on with your neck, and you've experienced pain all the time, and you think it's gonna go away, you're wrong. It's never gonna go away. It's gonna get worse and create more problem in your body. That's why the PhysioMassage is here, and it's a different approach than regular massage. In 2026, stop asking about deep tissue, Swedish deep tissue, and it's been there. How am I gonna say? People don't learn and don't get continuing education. Then do the same thing for 20 years and never been changed. It's a new era of therapy. It's new style, and it's work. It's help. Have a good day.